This poem is why I just say poet. When you ask me what I do, there is a reason that I just say poet. No elaboration, explanation, or additions. I mean it the same way you say accountant, engineer, doctor. I mean it as a full sentence, a complete path. I mean that as enough. I mean that I am enough. I mean that I resisted all kinds of temptation just to be able to call myself a poet unflinchingly. I own it the same way that you speak all your socially acceptable successes. I speak it because it encapsulates all that I am. I mean to speak it secondary only to my name and a description of my entire being. Poetry, the lover of contradiction, master of dichotomy, they, the fluidity, the existence of all in one, she, the unashamed to contain multitudes and doesn't mind being called he. There is a certain way you step to me. Once you see the power of my words, there are certain things you do not question. Stop questioning. I say salary the same way you don't say yours, like it should be implied that if I call it a living, it does sustain me. Like shouldn't living be enough to make a living? Like who told you must suffer to earn your breath? Peel the helplessness off the print of your skin. I say poet as if to say I am no different than that poem stuck in your throat, the story aching in your eyes. I say one word, like God, like all, like non-duality. I say it like I don't have to explain myself. I say it like I shouldn't have to explain your divinity to you. Like being here is enough. Like I'm trying to tell you, you are enough. But I am the artist trapped behind the frame. You leave my words in the venue. Leave the world to which I transport you. You tease me. We fly together and then you abandon me for the ground. Sell your wealth to a cheap thought. Dive teeth to tongue and let me shock you with your truth. Belly buried. I am once again your reflection, wondering when you will recognize me.
Yes.